Okay then, YouTubers, this is exciting times. I had a little thing in the post from YouTube. This is part of their High Five for You program. So I got this box, and I'd actually forgotten about it. But you can apply online if you're a certain type of YouTuber and they like you, and they give you different bits of merchandise and stuff. So I just thought, okay, we'll have a go, and I signed up for a neon sign, which I've not really seen many of these out there or any on the internet at the moment, so this could be a first. So here we go, let's have a look. So open the box, we have a little card, tells you what it's all about. This one tells you what the lamp is. Ooh, neon LED, 6 watts power consumption, and this one tells you what it does, which basically you hold the power button on and it goes up in any brightness. So let's have a little go and see what we've got. Packaging off. Ooh. So it's got this little light element. So take out packaging. And we've got a base in there. Hold on, let's take this out of the way. There's a little base. Let's take the base out. Hold on. So base goes in. Light goes in. There we are. So it's as simple as that. And then we've got power supply. Let's plug that in. So this is a UK plug. Thank you YouTube for not giving me a US plug, because US plugs are rubbish. We like an earth. So plugged in. Let's have a look. So I touch the button. Ooh. There we go. And you can hold it. It gets brighter or dimmer. So it's like, I think it's capacitive. So how cool is that? So it's my own little lamp. I think in the dark it'll look even better. But there we are. So thank you YouTube for my little lamp. I'm going to be using that and enjoying it. So there we go. If you're part of the High Five group, you can get all sorts of cool gifts. And like I said, it came in this wonderful box. What a surprise. Thank you YouTube.